Weighing only 22 pounds with an easy carry handle, the lithium battery generator packs a massive 1,002 watt-hours and is much more travel-friendly than traditional field generators. Our system features 3 AC outlets, a carport, 2 USB and 2 USB-C ports, including Quick Charge 3.0 technology to power your devices more efficiently. A smart LCD display provides accurate input, output, and battery level readings, while the side of the unit features a bright LED flashlight with an SOS function in case of emergency. Take the Explorer 1000 with you everywhere, and you'll never need to worry about running out of power again. Once the unit reaches low power, you can plug it into a wall outlet, car charger, generator, or better yet, try pairing it with our 100-watt solar panels to recharge on the go and completely eliminate your carbon footprint. We've equipped the unit with a MPPT solar charge controller to offer up to a 20% increase in charging efficiency. Set up the ultimate campsite and power your lights, coffee machines, coolers, and even your CPAC machine, ensuring a good night's sleep in the tent. And when the adventure takes you to the backyard, be the life of the party, bringing you and your friends quiet, clean energy while powering multiple devices simultaneously. The unit meets the power supply needs of more high-power electrical devices, so in the event of a power outage, you can rest easy knowing that your Explorer 1000 can serve as a backup generator to keep your essential appliances up and running.
For backup power, road trips, and outdoor work. It's our most affordable system to date, and it's built for everyone. We've designed it to be all-inclusive and fully customizable. Everyone has their own power needs, so we wanted to lower the barrier of entry for users to design their own storage solution. R600 is convenient, easy to use, it supports all the standard household appliances that you would expect, and it recharges to full capacity in less than 2 hours. Using it, you'll hardly even realize that you left home.
It includes an expansion module for attaching any number of LFP or deep cycle batteries. Your storage capacity is literally limitless. An R600 Pro will monitor your power usage as if it was all a single integrated unit. The battery recharges from 0 to 80% in only 1 hour. That's all well and good when there's an outlet around, but Mother Nature rarely affords us such luxury. So when you're out and about, put on an eco-friendly face, because with its 160-watt solar panels, R600 recharges in just 3 hours of direct sunlight.
Lykan is the perfect storage system to power several AC and DC appliances, with features such as a floodlight and multiple charging options, including solar. The Lykan is easy to maneuver thanks to its pull rod handle and weighs in only at 55 pounds. It features a state-of-the-art replaceable lithium iron phosphate battery with a full 1,000 watt-hours of storage capacity. The Lykan can be charged by a 12-volt car outlet using a CIG port, an AC wall plug with the input port, or directly from the sun by connecting a panel to the PV port. The Lykan can provide 1,200 watts of power through any of its 4 AC outlets. DC charging is a breeze with 3 round DC ports, 4 USB outlets, and an additional 12-volt carport. To run an AC or DC appliance, you will need to specify the operating mode of the Lykan. Press the power button, and then you can select AC, DC, or both buttons to turn on that function. The bright floodlight on the top will make sure you're never left in the dark. You can externally charge an additional lithium iron phosphate battery to keep you on the move. You may also use Lykan to charge a sealed lead acid battery if needed.
$200X, our newest and smallest of the Yeti lineup. At 5 pounds, this bad boy is 7 pounds lighter than the old Yeti 150, so it's just that much easier to pick up, grab and go, throw in the car, whatever you gotta do. Compared to the Yeti 150, the Yeti 200X has been improved in every way, size, weight, and performance. The inverter is stronger at 120 watts with a 300-watt surge. We've got 4 USB ports. The 2 on the outside are 2.4 amp USB-A's. And then the 2 in the middle, the smaller ones, are the new USB-Cs. One USB-C will output up to 18 watts to your devices. The other is a 60-watt power delivery port that can be used not just as an output, but also as an input. Our 12-volt has a 10-amp shared port, so both our LAL 6mm port and the cigarette port can put out 10 amps worth of power. When it comes time to charge this little battery, what we've actually done is put the input port on the back for the first time. So now we charge right through here, same way we did before from the front. From the wall, we can charge at 50 watts. So this thing's gonna take about 3.5 hours to charge up, but we can actually maximize a better solar experience now that we have a maximum power point tracker charge controller in this thing, instead of the old PWM charge controller. If we put a 100-watt solar panel on there, we can charge this thing up in about 3 hours. You can also charge it from the car with our car charging cable. If you use our 5-amp setting, you can plug it right into the cigarette port, so while you're traveling, you can be charging this thing up. Lastly, the Yeti 200X can be charged using the USB-C power delivery port. Probably by now you're wondering what this guy can power. Pretty much it's a small device powerhouse. It can run anything that's going to be charged off of USBs, and of course it's fully Goal Zero compatible. So anything from our lanterns to our camping lights, any of our smaller battery packs that you'd want to plug in, keep those charged just fine. Outside of Goal Zero devices, is we can charge a ton of things like GoPros, laptops, and even most small tool batteries. All we really have to do is plug it into the USB-C port. Don't forget to turn that port on to make sure that we are pushing some power, and our GoPro, it will be charged shortly. Outside of that, we can also use any laptops, tablets, anything else, as we're gonna see more and more USB-C coming out in the world. If I'm out there and I need a little bit of construction power, this guy is strong enough to recharge almost all small tool batteries. So if I plug into our inverter and I turn that AC port on, now I'll be building a shed in no time. In short, guys, the Yeti 200X Lithium is a great accessory for your camping experience.
Delta is a landmark of both design and function, bringing you the most power, the fastest recharge, and peace of mind in any situation with no gas and no noise. The unit packs a massive 1,300 watt-hours, finally a battery that can truly be a home generator. Stay powered for hours and hours with a wide range of devices and tools, anytime and anywhere. Delta packs so much power, you can even use it as an emergency backup for your electric vehicle, giving you up to 7.5 extra miles on a single charge. In the case of a blackout, leave your worries at the door. With an output of 1,800 watts, Delta meets the standard of any wall outlet, so you'll always feel right at home. With Delta, you're never away from work for too long. Delta has the fastest recharge rate on the market. Recharge from 0 to 80% in only 1 hour. Delta is both compact and lightweight. No matter where you go, you will never be slowed down by the heavy load of a gas generator. Plus, without a gas motor, Delta is silent and maintenance-free. Delta provides all the power with none of the noise or carbon emissions, so you can enjoy the clean air and the peace and quiet of your own home. The new user interface is highly intuitive and provides the most important details for you to monitor your power use and safety. Delta's system includes 4 regular USB ports, 2 60-watt USB-C ports, plus 4 wall outlets on the International Edition and 6 wall outlets on the American Edition. You'll have every option you'll ever need, all on one portable generator. Delta isn't just powerful, it's as rugged as any tool in the shed. The unit is reinforced with an aluminum chassis that protects the battery pack inside. And with strong rubber padding built into the outer shell, you never have to be concerned when the going gets rough. Eliminate your carbon footprint completely with EcoFlow solar panels. You can chain your panels together, bringing Delta back to full charge in just 4 hours of perfect sunlight.